how to use in English meanings and examples. Have you ever found yourself at a loss for words but still wanting to express understanding or realization? Today, we're going to explore a simple yet versatile word that can help you in such situations. This small word can be incredibly useful in your IELTS speaking test and in everyday English conversations. Word type is classified as an interjection. Interjections are words or phrases used to express strong emotion or sudden feeling. Meaning, has several meanings depending on how it's used. It can express sudden realization, understanding, or recognition. It can also indicate pleasure, relief, or resignation. The meaning often depends on the context and the speaker's tone of voice. Word history is a very old word that has been used in many languages to express various emotions. It's considered a natural sound that humans make, which is why it's found in so many different cultures and languages. Synonyms. Some synonyms or similar expressions for include, oh, ha, I see, or right. Examples used in sentences. Let's look at how can be used in different contexts. Now I understand what you mean. That feels good. The massage really helped my sore muscles. I didn't get the job, but there will be other opportunities. Common errors in use. While is simple to use, there are a few things to keep in mind. First, don't overuse it in formal speaking or writing. It's more suitable for casual conversations. Second, be careful with your tone when using as it can change the meaning. A drawn-out might indicate pleasure, while a short, sharp could express surprise or sudden understanding. To wrap up, is a small but powerful word that can express various emotions and reactions. Practice using it in different contexts to become more comfortable with its usage. Remember, in your IELTS speaking test, using interjections like naturally can make your speech sound more fluent and native. Like, keep practicing, and soon you'll be using like a pro